Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to customize template in DocuSign. Alright, let's begin. First, open DocuSign and click on Templates at the top. Then select My Templates to view all the templates you have created. If you don't have one yet, you can click on Create a Template to start a new one. To customize an existing template, click on the three dots beside the template and select Edit. You can now change the template name and description, upload documents, add recipients, and include a message. You can also select the envelope type if needed. Once you have made these changes, click Next at the bottom. In the next section, you will be editing the document linked to your template. You can drag and drop standard fields like name, signature, or date. If you have any custom fields, you can use those as well. After placing all the necessary fields, click on Save and Close to finish editing your template. The changes will now be saved and ready for use. So that's basically how you can customize template in DocuSign. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.